Hi there! Thanks for checking out this VIVE education video. In this video, we'll introduce you to our VIVE Avatar Creator mobile app. With this app, you can create multiple avatars to represent your virtual self in VIVERSE. Let's get started.
First, download and install the VIVE Avatar Creator app on your phone. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your avatar. Take a selfie or upload an existing photo to auto-generate your look. Then customize your avatar's style and outfit. Choose from the tons of available options and you'll have your own personalized avatar in no time. When you're satisfied with your avatar, tap Done and then tap Save and Upload. In the Set as Active dialog box, tap Yes. This sets the avatar you've just created as your default avatar in VIVERSE. Now, in your computer's web browser, go to the VIVERSE homepage and click Explore. Sign in using the same account you used for VIVE Avatar Creator. Select the world you want to enter. Other people inside the world will be able to see you as the avatar you've just created and uploaded. If you've created several avatars and you want to use a different one, click Avatar on the VIVERSE homepage and then click My Avatars. Hover over the avatar you want to use, then click the Options menu and select Set as Active. And that's it! Now you know how to create and use your avatar in VIVERSE.
Hi again. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in learning more about VIVERSE or other VIVE products, make sure to check out the other videos in this channel. I'll see you next time.